Okay, hello guys, welcome to this simple Shopify tutorial on how to add video to the home page of your online store. Okay, just like this one. So this is what is trending right now on most websites. This is how it looks like on mobile phone. So it's very lovely, you can see, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to do this by yourself. Okay, there are two methods you can do this. Normally, if you download the free down theme from Shopify store, it doesn't come with this features to add video. So there are two ways to do it. The first way is using code, editing your code. The second way is adding a section, a liquid theme section. So I'm going to teach you the first way now, which is code, adding code to your online store, and then my next video I'm going to teach you how to add a section. Whichever of them is very good and easy to do it by yourself. Okay, don't worry about the code. I'm just going to put the code on the description for you. All you just need to do is just to copy and paste it. Okay, let's just go right straight down into this tutorial. The first thing you will need to do is to go to your Shopify dashboard, your online store. Just go to the online store and go to the theme section. So if you might just want to duplicate your theme, you're not duplicating your theme because you're going to mess up with, because it won't work. No, you're duplicating your theme so that in case you don't do it properly, it won't spoil your online store. It won't have to mess around with anything. Duplicate your theme. So let's just go straight. I have a free theme that I downloaded here from the Shopify store, so I'm going to use it for the purpose of this tutorial. So you click on customize. So you can see from this end now there is no video. There's no features for any video. There's no also features for slideshow. I'm going to also teach you how to add slideshow to your Shopify store. So that will be my next video. So to add video now, you just go to scroll down, go to the this place where the cursor, you just hold the cursor and then click on add section. Come the way down, click on video, then drag it to the top. Okay, so when you drag it to the top, so if you play the video, you can see it has a YouTube. You can see it has a YouTube demo on it already. So what I don't like is this. So it's not good when someone visits your shop and then your videos finish playing and then it starts showing this. So we're going to edit that function. So if you just go straight to the point and just click on video and then you come here, you select a video. I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Shopify store. So you select a video, you click on done. So one thing is this video, okay, even if you click on loop, this video won't play automatic. See, it won't play automatic on your Shopify store, just like this. Once someone just enter your website, it's playing on its own and it's muted. So it's not good when somebody comes on your website, there's a noise, there's a video sound playing. So this video didn't come with this feature, didn't come with this. So the customer has to play, or a visitor, your online store visitor has to play the video. So we're going to change these settings, we're going to change these features. So it's very easy. So first and foremost, okay, I'll pause this video. So we have to go back to your theme. Click on edit code. Don't worry, I've already put the code you will need. All you just need to do just to copy and paste, and that will be all. So just go straight down, go to your section area. The video is very simple. If you follow me, you can do it by yourself. So the section area, just come straight down, you will see video liquid. So we can see it, video liquid. Just click on it. So I'm already on that section. All you need to do is just delete everything, just copy everything, then click on the delete button. So you can go to the code I've already given to you already on my description. So just copy it. So just copy the code just the way it is, very simple, and paste the one we have copied already. So when you paste it, all you need to do is come to this area where you see source. I don't know if you can see it, let me highlight it for you. Source, that is where you put the link of the video you want to display on your online store. So how to do that is you can come to your content or your homepage, Shopify homepage, go to your content, go to file. So you might want to upload a new file from your computer, or for me, I already have a file here. So by the time you finish uploading a new one, it's very easy. Just you go to your computer, you upload a new video. You can go to your download or wherever you have the file in, you upload any video. When you upload it, you give it some time, it will appear here. Then once you're done uploading, just come to this part, you just copy it there and go back to the theme and then edit this video. Edit this. Just edit this. Okay, let me show you an example. Let me just do one. Let me change that video on my. Okay, let me show you with one video. Let me copy this, edit this, and paste it here. So, and then click on save. So now I'm going to explain all this part for you, where you can customize the width, you can customize the height, you can change if it will be, you know, auto playing. Or so after you have saved, you come here, and then customize. After you have added that code, all you need to do is to come back here again. Remember, we didn't save the other file, so come back here again and then add the video. So drag it to the top. So you can see the video is already playing automatically. So if you are put a quality video, don't put something like this. So you can see it's playing automatically, no sound, no play button, no control. If you want to add control, I will show you how to customize it. You can see how it looks like on phone. Very lovely. Let's preview this. So we'll save it first and then go back. So if I want to preview this, so see how it looks like. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. No YouTube sign showing, no sound. If you want sound, you can also customize it. Okay, let me show you how to customize the sound. All you need to do is to come back here again, click on edit code to still take you back to the same place. But if it doesn't take you back, go to, remember, you go to section, come straight down to video liquid to bring you back here. So you can customize this to any size you want. So okay, let me add control. Let me add control to this. Let me add controls. So let me come back and refresh this. So have you seen it? It has control now. The client can now control whether he can. So it's the automatic play is still there. So if you don't want this sound on your, somebody visits your website and then the music started playing, just go back here again and remove that control. You can also use Control Z. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Everything is returned back to normal. So come back here, refresh it, and the sound is off. You can also control the size. So 50. So it's customizable. Like, it's very easy to use. When you come back here, you refresh. You can see the size has reduced. So you can customize everything according to your test. You can customize the width. And come back here, width. You can use 20, just according to your test, according to your desire. You don't have any there's no restrictions on what you can do with that code. You can play around with that code. So you can come back here, you can even put 100. Okay, no, you can put let's use 10. Want it to be very small. So, and also let me give you a free tip. If you're uploading the video, don't upload a video that is too big or a video that is too long. It's an online store, so, or it's a website. You don't want a video that will slack the performance, that will slow down everything. You can see everything. If I click on any of this link, it's moving very well. So it's loading with speed. You can see. So you don't want a video that will be slowing down the performance of the so you upload a very short video. So let's go back to the customization. So you can make this normal 100, or you can just follow my customization, my settings, which is I think the one I used. Let's see how it looks like on phone screen. This is looking like on phone screen. So you don't want it too long. Okay, let's remove this and see how that would look like. Okay, let's remove that and see. Come to customization, come to image banner, and then hide it. Okay, so if you come back here now and then refresh, so after the video you see your products just like this. You see, it's one of the professional website I created. I'm also teach you in the next video how to add this homepage header slideshow. So make sure you watch my videos. Go to my video, watch my videos, like, subscribe my page so that you won't miss out on any of my video. I'm also gonna teach you how to add this I think pop-up, sales pop-up. So if you come back here, let's go back to the video. So my settings, the setting I'm using for this is very simple. It's very simple. Let's go back to code. I'm using 99. I'm going to drop it by default. So all you just need to do is just to add your video here. I will not put video, so just add your video here on this this part you see source. So that's what you do. So I use 1, and then if I save it, it's looking nice. Okay, it's looking nice like this. So you can change any video of your choice. Let's see if we can change a video, another video. There are so many videos here. Let's use this one. Copy this one. So copy. Copy that. Then just paste it. Save it. If I come here, refresh, that video should come up. If it doesn't come up, you won't be seeing this video. So simple as that. Very simple. So you can, what you also want to do is after this, you can also go back to the customization. So you come to this place. You can make it small if you want. Yeah, I can make it small. I can make it large. I can make it small. But see, this part now is not really affecting this video because the video already has a settings on the theme, so it might not really affect it. So yeah, we are not using this upload. So you can also add the product ID if you want. That if somebody click on this video, it takes the person over there. You might want to delete this YouTube link here. You save. So you might also want to click on play loop, although we're not using this settings. So that is it, guys. I hope you have learned how to add a video to your Shopify online shop. All right, see you guys later.